One common complaint that I have come across from many of my friends, and of course, being in the industry for so long, that there are always budget overruns. बात हो गई डिज़ाइन फेज़ में, बात हो गई क्लैरिटी हो गई कि एक्स लगेगा, वाई लगेगा,
Hmm.
जो भी लगेगा.
Hmm.
But by the time the project ends, of course, there are now geopolitical issues and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I've heard of cases of 2x, 1.5x over budget,
Yeah.
time this thing. At the Arc, what's your philosophy on this? How do you mitigate this?
See, when you start doing we start the project, no, there's always a budget for the client. चाहे वो 100 करोड़ हो, चाहे वो 50 करोड़ हो, चाहे वो 50 लाख हो, there's always a budget. But कहीं ना कहीं in the process, during the process, the selections come somewhere over the board, even by the client itself. कि
Right.
मान लीजिए आपको कुछ 100 का पसंद था, then you are just going to just at 150 rupees per square feet. So automatically it goes up. And I think the clients nowadays understand this. They know कि they are coming to us, they have this much budget. तो 10-15% ऊपर जाता ही जाता है. Like if I talk about 2 times, 3 times, इतना नहीं होता. इन माई फिलोसफी इन दियाक आई ऑलवेज से कि मुझे कुछ कई लोग आते हैं इसलिए सेज कि वी हैव दिस मच बजट कि इसमें हो जाएगा. आई से नो, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ टेकिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट एंड से कि यार इतने स्क्वायर फीट में हो जाएगा, ये इतना मिनिमम लगेगा, उसके बाद स्काई इज द लिमिट. देन यू हैव टू टेल योर बजट.
You've written that Architects India routinely paid below COA norms, right? I think you've been vocal about this as well. What's the challenge here from an industry perspective? And do you see this getting resolved in the near future?
I think coming from the tier 2 city, and the city like Jalandhar, it's a small town, but it's a very beautiful one. I think I got amazing clients though. uh, कहीं ना कहीं हमें लगता है कि like you know the architect, he or she have the vision for your house, and from them, from their office, each and every detail has to be issued and executed on their own responsibility. If I am hiring a contractor, it's entirely my responsibility. If I'm hiring a vendor, it's my responsibility. If I'm doing anything on the site, like अगर कुछ हो भी रहा है तो वो in the end architect's responsibility आ जाती है. On the whole, I see कि the people who comes first, you know, जैसे architect को इतना देना पड़ेगा, you know,
Hmm.
that's a tier 2 city thing. Uh,
But you are in a tier 2 city, largely.
yeah, I am. And sometimes we do face this issue. We do. कि नहीं ये तो
ड्राइंग ही तो बनाया आपने, क्या किया आपने?
trying is like that. Then the you know the people start coming कि अच्छा वो तो इतने में मतलब है तो हम तो उनसे होके आए हैं. Then I was like, I'm sorry, you can go ahead with that person, because the design strategy I have, that core team I have, and the vision I have, and the experience I have, you can't compare.